Hi my loves, in this video I'll be showing you how to make super yummy breakfast pancakes with eggs and oats only. You'll find this recipe really healthy, fast to prepare and super delicious. If you'd like to know how I make it, then keep watching. So we'll be needing just oats and 2 eggs and a little bit of milk. This quantity will make 3 whole pancakes for the family. It's pretty straightforward and simple. Soak your oats for about 5 minutes in milk. Break in your eggs, add a little bit of sugar, which is optional, and blend all together. To a hot pan, I'll be rubbing off a little margarine. Feel free to use olive oil or vegetable oil. With a concave spoon, I'll be carefully adding my oats and allowing it spread. If you want to make larger circles, then you add 2 concave spoonfuls. I'll also be going in with half a spoon of olive oil around the oats. This is optional as well, but it gives it a perfect round shape. When I notice bubbles on the surface of the oats, it's time to flip it over. Now I'm going to tilt the pan a little just so that the bottom side can get a bit of oil as well. So now I'm pressing it flat just because I really like flat pancakes, and pressing it flat makes the pancakes really flat and nice. From this point onwards, the pancakes are ready. You can make it browner if you want, but they are ready at this point. So our breakfast pancakes are ready, and you can serve with blueberries, honey, or any other breakfast option of your choice. I personally love enjoying it with tea. This is so delicious, so nice. Your kids will absolutely love it. If you try this recipe, leave a comment in the comment section below. And hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.